Imagine this. It's payday, and you just got your paycheck. You feel excited and relieved. But then, reality hits. Bills are due, rent needs to be paid, and suddenly, your money seems to disappear. Many people face this struggle every month. It's a common story that can lead to stress and financial trouble. Managing your money wisely is the key to breaking this cycle. By understanding your income, tracking your expenses, and saving effectively, you can gain control over your finances. This not only helps you cover your bills, but also allows you to save for the future and enjoy life more. In this video, we will explore 3 essential parts of money management. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your current situation, these strategies can guide you towards financial stability and peace of mind. Get ready to take control of your finances and make the most of every paycheck. Let's dive into the steps you can take to manage your money wisely on payday. 1. Understanding your income. Meet Jane, a teacher who loves her job but struggles to make ends meet. Jane realized that she didn't fully understand where all her money was coming from or how to make the most of it. This is a common problem for many people. Types of income. To manage your money well, you first need to understand your income. There are different types of income. Primary income. This is the main source of money for most people. It comes from your job, like a salary or hourly wages. For Jane, this is her teacher's salary. Secondary income. This is extra money you earn on the side. It could come from a part-time job, freelance work, or a side hustle. Jane tutors students after school, which adds to her income. Knowing your total income helps you plan better. Write down all sources of income you have. This way, you know exactly how much money is coming in every month. Tips for increasing income. Sometimes, your main job doesn't pay enough to cover all your expenses. Here are some tips to increase your income. Negotiation. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise. Do your research and show your boss why you deserve more money. Side gigs. Look for other ways to make money. This could be anything from babysitting to selling handmade crafts online. Jane found that tutoring was a good way to earn extra money. Skills development. Invest in learning new skills that can lead to better job opportunities or higher-paying gigs. Understanding and increasing your income, you can better manage your finances. Remember, knowing where your money comes from is the first step to taking control of your financial future. You can find ways to make your income work better for you. 2. Expense tracking and management. John, a young professional, always felt broke at the end of the month. He realized he had no idea where his money was going. This is a problem many people face. To fix this, John decided to track his expenses and manage his spending better. Fixed versus variable expenses. There are 2 main types of expenses. Fixed expenses. These are regular, unchanging costs. Examples include rent or mortgage, utility bills, and insurance. John's rent and car payment are fixed expenses. These expenses are usually the same every month and must be paid. Variable expenses. These costs change from month to month. Examples include groceries, dining out, and entertainment. John noticed he was spending a lot on eating out and buying new clothes. These expenses can vary, so they are easier to adjust if needed. Tools and methods for tracking expenses. To manage your money well, you need to track your spending. Here are some ways to do that. Manual methods. Use a notebook or a spreadsheet to write down everything you spend. This helps you see exactly where your money goes. Digital tools. There are many apps available that can help you track your expenses easily. Apps like Mint and In-App, You Need a Budget, are popular choices. John found using an app made it easier to keep track of his spending on the go. Strategies to cut down on expenses. Once you know where your money is going, you can find ways to cut back. Budgeting. Create a budget to plan your spending. This helps you make sure you have enough money for all your needs and some left for savings. Cost-cutting tips. Look for ways to reduce spending without sacrificing too much. Cook at home instead of dining out. cancel unused subscriptions, and shop smart for groceries. By tracking and managing your expenses, you can take control of your finances. You'll find it easier to see where your money goes and make smarter spending choices. 3. Effective saving strategies. Meet Sarah, a nurse who struggled to save money. She wanted to build an emergency fund but never seemed to have enough left at the end of the month. Sarah decided to try new saving strategies, and soon she saw her savings grow. Types of savings. There are different types of savings, each serving a unique purpose. Emergency fund. This is money set aside for unexpected expenses, like car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Sarah started by saving a small amount each month until she built a comfortable emergency fund. Short-term goals. Save for things you want in the near future, like a vacation, a new gadget, or a special event. Sarah saved for a holiday trip she had always dreamed of. Long-term goals. These are big plans that take more time to save for, like buying a house, funding education, or retirement. Sarah also started contributing to her retirement fund. Automating savings. Make saving easier by automating the process. Pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account every payday. This way, you save before you even see the money. Sarah set up an automatic transfer to her savings account as soon as she got paid. Employer programs. Take advantage of employer-sponsored savings plans like 401k or matching programs. Sarah's employer offered a 401k match, so she contributed enough to get the full match, effectively doubling her savings. High-interest savings accounts and investments. Maximize your savings by choosing the right accounts and investments. High-interest savings accounts. Look for accounts that offer better interest rates. This helps your savings grow faster. Basic investments. Consider simple investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds to grow your money over time. Sarah started with a high-interest savings account and gradually learned about investing. By using these effective saving strategies, you can build a strong financial foundation. You'll see your savings grow and feel more secure about your future. 4. Balancing income, expenses, and savings. Alex, a software developer, was earning a good income but always felt financially unstable. He realized that balancing his income, expenses, and savings was key to financial health. After some adjustments, Alex found a balance that worked for him. Creating a balanced budget. A budget helps you allocate your income effectively among expenses and savings. Here's a simple method, the 50/30/20 rule. This rule divides your income into 3 parts. 50% for needs. These are essential expenses like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% for wants. These are non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. 20% for savings and debt repayment. This portion goes into your savings or paying off debts. Alex used this rule to structure his budget, ensuring he covered his needs, enjoyed some wants, and saved regularly. Adjusting the plan. Your financial situation can change, so it's important to revisit and adjust your budget regularly. When Alex got a raise, he adjusted his budget to increase his savings and pay off his student loans faster. Regular financial checkups. Reviewing your finances regularly helps you stay on track. Monthly reviews. Set aside time each month to review your income, expenses, and savings. This helps you see where your money is going and make necessary adjustments. Alex found that monthly reviews helped him stay aware of his spending habits and savings progress. Adjusting for changes. Life changes, like a new job, moving, or unexpected expenses, may require budget adjustments. Be flexible and willing to tweak your plan. When Alex moved to a new city with a higher cost of living, he adjusted his budget to account for the increase in expenses. Remember, you can achieve financial stability. You'll find that a well-planned budget and regular reviews help you manage your money better and reach your financial goals. Managing your money on payday can seem challenging, but it's possible with the right strategies. The goal is to manage your money so that you can live comfortably, handle unexpected expenses, and save for the future. By following these steps, you'll achieve financial peace of mind and set yourself up for a secure future. Start today and take control of your financial journey. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.